In this video, I want to show you how to remove any game from your Steam library. Once you are logged into your Steam account, head on to your library. Here you can see the list of games you have in your library. If for any reason you want to remove any of these games from your library, perhaps you are no longer interested in the game or for any other reason, to remove it, come to Library and right-click the game you want to remove. Place your cursor on Manage and you can see various options here. Then click on Remove from Account. It will bring this notification message which you can quick read through. If you would like to remove the game from your library, then click on Remove. You can see that the game we selected has been removed from the library. This is how to remove any game from your Steam library. Thank you for watching.